Hi folks, and welcome to A&P with Dr. O. In today's video, we are going to take a look at neural tissue, and we're going to look at it more closely underneath the microscope, and we are going to look at the neuron, parts of the neuron, and also the neuroglia cells. When we think about the neuron, what we are focusing on is a multipolar neuron. There are different types of neurons, but in this instance, we're looking at a multipolar neuron, which means we're going to see many dendrites and a single axon. And this is going to be important because it's going to help us find these structures here in a moment. Now our neuron looks, if you want to use a visual analogy, it looks like an octopus, or some students have said it looks like Medusa. I am going to circle or outline the neuron here. So this main structure here in the middle, this entire structure is going to be our neuron. And now we can look at the different parts of the neuron. The main portion that we can see here is going to be the cell body. So this right here is our cell body. And then we can note that we have several extensions on this end of the cell body. And we have one extension coming away from the other end of the cell body. If we have many extensions on this side, are these many extensions dendrites or axons? Correct. Those are the dendrites. This is a multipolar neuron. We're going to have many dendrites. If I just go ahead and maybe extend our lines here. On all of our extensions. So all three of these extensions here, those are going to be our dendrites. And that means this single extension down here, this is going to be our axon. We can also see the neuroglia cells. We can see their nuclei specifically. And remember, nuclei are generally a circular or oval structure. They usually stain dark pink or dark purple in this instance. I'll go ahead and just kind of pick out a few for us here. But you can see they're scattered throughout this neural tissue. But what we would have here, and I'll kind of connect these together because all of these are neuroglia cell nuclei. If we just pick out one, then we would use the term nucleus. So that would be a single nucleus of our neuroglia cell. Those are the main components we're going to focus on in neural tissue: our multipolar neuron with our dendrites, cell body, and axon, and then our neuroglia cells. And again, we can see the nuclei of those cells.